So I picked up the Aluminati Coolant Expansion Tank, 6061 billet aluminum, all one piece. Looks amazing. Just wanted to show you a little before here. This is my stock expansion tank with the stock cap. I'm going to get this installed and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Here it is installed. Looks absolutely amazing compared to the stock one. It uses the factory mounting holes and the OEM hoses. You have to trim them to fit, but they fit great. I put a cob cap on it because it looks better than the stock one. They sell a Process West manifold bracket too if you have a Process West manifold, so if you need to, you can mount it to that. It's good for rotated guys, so you can fit bigger piping and stuff in here if you need to. Overall, it ties the engine bay together really well. It's going to last since it's aluminum and it's one piece. It's not plastic. It's not going to break or anything over time. I love it. I'm really glad that I got it. If you've been thinking about getting one, you should definitely pick one up.